I'm just you. Come and cook with me. I'm just you. Come and cook with me. I'm just you. Hey everybody, what's going on? Just T. Just jumping in with a real quick little shrimp, crispy fried shrimp video. I'm gonna link the video of, what's in this bowl. It's gonna be in my fish fry video. So I'm gonna link that in there, and then you'll know how to make this. Because the only thing at the bottom of here is just eggs, mustard, some sassoon, a little bit of seasoning. So I'm just trying to show you guys real quick. Cooking shrimp. Real quick, real easy. So I have that shrimp. I also still have some of my seasoned flour that I had left over from frying my fish in. So I'm gonna fry some shrimp, and I'm just gonna put it out there for you guys real quick. So I'm just gonna take these. After I mix them up in this little concoction in here. This, like I said, gonna be in the description box. You guys gonna see that as well, of what's in this bowl. You're like, just see what you're doing, girl. What you doing? Got too much going on. So now with that seasoned flour that I had left over from my fish, and I have my cast iron skillet over here. I'm just gonna grab some of these right here. Don't want a whole lot at one time. Just grab some of them, and I'm just gonna put them in there. Just wanna get those a good shake in this flour. And you don't want to drop them one at a time, You don't want to drop them all in at one time, because they're still going to need room to cook as well. And with shrimp, it does not take that long at all. Just shaking off the excess flour. Let me go ahead and move it on over so y'all can see it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get this ready. Go ahead and get the shrimp to cooking in this pan. I was going to do them in my little cast iron skillet when I cooked my fish in. But I think that oil is done for it. So I'll just switch to this little pan right here. And I'm just going to drop these in. Turn this up just a little bit. So, shrimp does not really take a long time to cook at all. Go ahead and get those all in this pan. Like I said, the video of what I made the flour with, what I seasoned it with, it's going to be in the description box, as well as the egg mixture. They'll all be right in there. And go ahead and go in and just start flipping them over. See how nice and pretty they look. Y'all, those look so cute. Now that's cute. It's cute. That's real cute. Look at that. Y'all be getting it in. I really do. This is what I does, okay? This is just what I do. I love to cook. Look at that. Look how pretty those look. Y'all, come on. OMG. Let me bring y'all closer. Come on. Let me bring you closer. Closer than close, y'all. Bring this down a little bit. There we go. Oh yeah, those are ready. I'm gonna go ahead and get my pan on out the oven with my fish on it. Let's get these shrimp right on there. So I have a pan in the oven that I'm keeping on 170. Keeping my fish warm. So I will show you guys the shrimp when it's all done. Once I get all of them actually all cooked, then I'll come back and I'll show you guys. Look at that. OMG, y'all. Crispy shrimp. Who said you can't cook crispy shrimp? Yes, you can. Look at that. Those look so freaking good. These second ones, you guys, will not take long at all. Grease is all over my post. Oh. Hey guys, so I have my last little batch of shrimp cooking. And dinner is almost done, y'all. It's almost done. Gonna flip these babies over on the other side. Does not take them long at all. Like I said, hopefully you guys check out my little southern fried fish video. You know, go ahead, check that out. Also, check out the Hush Puppy video, because that's my first time making homemade Hush Puppy jar. And I will tell you, they actually taste pretty good for my first time. Oh, I cannot wait to eat. Okay, you guys, so here is my southern fried shrimp right there for you too. And you see that fish in the back. Yeah, it's about to go down, y'all, in Just T's house, okay? But southern fried shrimp, you guys, so crispy. Look at that. Nice and crispy, y'all. Look at that. OMG, y'all, here you go. You want one? You can have that first one. Go ahead, take it. There you go. I'm gonna go ahead and just get the rest of my dinner going. But as always, you guys, I thank you so much for stopping by, checking out my videos, and always, I hope you all stay forever blessed, y'all. It's Just T. I'm out.